Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. But what exactly is it? In simple terms, compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit, calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Unlike simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount, compound interest allows your money to grow exponentially over time. It's the interest in interest that makes all the difference. The formula for compound interest is straightforward. A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over N raised to the power of NT. Here, A is the amount of money accumulated after years, including interest. P is the principal amount. R is the annual interest rate, and it is the number of years the money is invested or borrowed for. Let's see an example. Imagine you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5% compounded annually. After 5 years, your investment will grow to approximately $1,276. But if the interest is compounded monthly, you'll have even more, about $1,283, thanks to more frequent compounding. The true power of compound interest lies in time. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it grows. That's why starting early is key to building wealth. Warren Buffett once said that there are 2 key factors to success. First, being born in the right country and the power of compound interest. This shows how vital compounding is to wealth creation. A quick way to estimate how long it will take for your investment to double is the rule of 72. Simply divide 72 by your annual interest rate. For example, with 6% interest rate, your money will double in approximately 12 years. Understanding compound interest is crucial for anyone looking to grow their wealth. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you benefit. So, start investing wisely and let compound interest work its magic.